what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I dye my hair using henna and also how I tint my eyebrows using the same henna. Now, if you are not used to using henna, make sure that you read the directions carefully. If you suffer from any allergies or anything, consult with a physician. Make sure you test the product on your hair. But this is what I use on my fine, thin, soft hair. I suffer from traction alopecia, and henna is my go-to hair dye that I prefer to use on my hair. I only have to dye my hair twice a year when I use henna. It leaves my hair feeling soft and silky. I don't suffer from any breakage or any drying out after using henna. So this is what I use. I don't have any gray problem, but I don't like the natural color of my hair, which is like a dusty, dirty brown. So I just think black just gives your hair like a great luster, and it just makes your hair look really shiny and healthy. And that's why I like to dye my hair with black henna. So if you're not subscribed here, go ahead, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. We're going to go ahead and hop into the video. Okay, so first I am starting out with my dirty brown hair, and I'm using henna in the color Natural Black. You can buy this henna at Sally's, your local beauty supply. I have my own perm brush. I'm using my own gloves, a bottle of water, and a cup. Now I'm just cutting the henna, pouring it in a cup, and you're just going to pour water in it and make it into a thick paste just like so, and spread it evenly into the hair. I had a cotton round around my hair, but you'll see I will remove it. It just got annoying, and I'm just going to place that all around the perimeter of my hair, the front and the back, and then I am going to just spread it throughout my hair evenly. So you just want to start with the perimeter and then just take it in your hands on the gloves and just squish that all in the hair, and then just get it all evenly. Now I'm just brushing up my brows. This brush I got from Michael's. It's just a paint brush. I'm using just the extra product and putting it on my brows and staining my brows. I love to do this method after dyeing my hair with henna. This just gives me a few days of dyed brows. Now I've rinsed out the product. I haven't washed my hair, but I'm going to go ahead and wash and condition. I've gone ahead and styled my hair. This is the final results right here that you're seeing. And I did some little baby hairs, and my hair is bouncy, soft, and fresh and silky. And thanks for watching. Bye.